Now, the latest coming in, the Congress has demanded an apology from the BJP MP. The Congress has said Kangana Ranaut called Kisans murderers and rapists. Kangana has no right to sit in Parliament. The Congress coming in demanding a public apology by Kangana Ranaut. To give our viewers perspective, Kangana Ranaut, speaking earlier, had linked the farm protest to what has gone down in the terms of unrest in Bangladesh. She also said that during the farm protest, there were dead bodies that were hanging and rapes taking place at the venue of Sindhu border. Now, in midst of all of this, the BJP, of course, did go out completely against their own MP and said these were the views of Kangana Ranaut. The party has nothing to do with it, and they are spokespersons who will speak for the issue and not somebody like a Kangana Ranaut. Word also coming in that Kangana Ranaut has got a dressing down from the top brass of the Bharatiya Janata Party, but the Congress here has clearly smelt blood. They are going all out, asking for a public apology from Kangana Ranaut.
आजाद हिंदुस्तान में अन्नदाताओं को बलात्कारी और हत्यारा पहले कभी नहीं कहा गया है। ये बीजेपी की सांसद हैं, नेतृत्व की बहुत चुनी हुई हैं और उन्होंने इन शब्दों का प्रयोग किया है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी ये कह के पलड़ा बिल्कुल नहीं झाड़ सकती है कि ये हमारा मत नहीं है, ये उनका वक्तव्य है। अगर कोई आपकी पार्टी में ऐसी कुत्सित मानसिकता का व्यक्ति है तो उसको निकाल बाहर करिए। वो कहती हैं कि अमेरिका और चीन इस देश में अस्थिरता फैला रहे हैं, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। क्या हमारे देश में विदेशी ताकतें डिस्टर्बेंस कर रही हैं, अस्थिरता फैला रही हैं, यहां पर शांति भंग कर रही हैं? ये बड़ा बयान है और इस पर कोई स्पष्टीकरण नहीं है। क्या इस देश के विदेश मंत्रालय को और गृह मंत्रालय को इस पर स्पष्टीकरण नहीं देना चाहिए?
All right, the Congress now not taking what the BJP has come out publicly in a statement distancing the party from the MP. Congress going all out. These are the times of election, viewers. Haryana is going into elections. Comments like this will not settle well in the political theatre of Haryana. And the BJP knowing very well it might not have worked. Let's listen in right now. All right. Okay, we're going to play that reaction of Kangana Ranaut in a short while from now. But the latest that is coming in right now is that the Congress going all out, attacking Kangana Ranaut over her statement.